Hey whales, good morning. Happy Friday. It's March 14th, pre-market. Let's go over and break down and review Tesla for this upcoming trading session. Yeah, I've been getting a lot of questions whether or not we've bottomed for Tesla, what to do, where to buy. So I'll give all that sort of scenarios out so you guys can make a lot of money with me. And let's dive in, right? All right, so with that said, in terms of Tesla, you guys know my sentiment, right? We put in all of a wave 3 here for an impulse, and now we're working on this, deep correction to see whether or not we've bottomed here for a 4 wave, or we have one more wave down to finish off between 209 down to 150 for a fourth wave, right? So what am I looking at, guys? Let's go over the first scenario where we have one more wave down, right, closer to 209, 150 for a new marginal low. Well, what I'm looking at, right? Yesterday, I saw this as a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And then we had an ABC coming down, ABC, right? And then I longed this level because we started forming bullish divergence on the 3-minute time frame. You can see that we also had a 5-way structure coming down. Okay, so you typically long the 3 to 5 for that bullish divergence on the 3-minute. So longed here for a day trade. Okay, and now we're seeing whether or not we can actually push up closer to the relief rally of this wave 4. Okay, and where is that? Well, you want to take the fib extensions from the swing lows to the swing highs down to the swing lows, and the bulls are looking at 266 as the main target, right? So we're looking at possibly a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing off all of this as a 3-wave move, right? All of this would be an A, B coming down, C. Okay, now that's the bearish move that the bulls and bears are looking at, right? Like this. So you can see this is all of a 3-wave move. 1, 2, 3. So the same thing. This would be 1, 2, 3. Okay, to finish off that 4th wave. Now, what's going to happen at these levels? The bears are going to try to short this, guys, right? And day traders like me that, either long the bottom here or here, we're going to start slowly trimming out here right now, but we'll take the full profits at 266. Okay, because this is a very big algo target for the bears. So the bears are going to try to defend this level, right? Now, the second scenario is that let's say we actually bottomed, right? Let's say this was all with 3, 4, 5 coming down, finished off the C wave, finished off all of a wave 4, right? What do I need to see? Well, what I need to see is that instead of this being a 3-wave move, okay? So instead of the bull stopping at 266, we actually go past that and break out to 286 like this, right? And then down to 266 to defend. And then now we go up for that full uptrend, right? That's exactly what I want to see. So now instead of an A, B, C up, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-wave, guys. Beautiful start of an uptrend, right? 3-wave moves are bearish. 5-wave moves are bullish. Okay, always remember that. So we want that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we want to break out of 266 because the bears are going to short this. So if we can get to 286, very impulsive. That's very impulsive. That looks very nice. If we can get that, right, any dip, I don't think it's going to go lower, right, because that's a huge dip, right? So now we have a chance to dip to 266, defend that zone, right, because now the algo flipped to the bull side, and now we can get to 300, and then we start, putting in that larger dip, and then we can go for that next uptrend, okay? So that's exactly what I'm seeing, guys, exactly what I'm seeing. Now, there is one more sort of, I guess a third probability where we did put in, because I do see 3-wave move here in ABC already. And now we're actually working on a 1, 2 before we go 3, 4, 5, okay? That's also a possibility, especially if the bears or the bulls can't get past this high, okay, at 251. That's the confirmation, right? Because this 2 can go all the way here. But let's say, that is also a possibility if the markets are extremely bearish, okay? So that's also a possibility, right? So this could also be just a 4-wave and then coming down for that last leg closer to that level, right? Closer to here, the 210 or 209 down to 150 level, okay? So that's also a possibility, right? So what should you do? Well, for me, I mentioned yesterday, right? I mentioned yesterday when Tesla was at the top here, right? you should long these levels. So you should be long, guys. You should be long on here. Your stop loss should be underneath 223. But now, since you caught the long, you can raise your stop loss, guys, to 234, right? Or even below here, 232. So you're looking to see whether or not this low holds and whether you can get to 266, okay, or 260-ish, right? You want to start trimming out profits there. So you're looking for this 1, 2, 3, okay, and you're seeing if this lows can hold. Now, as Tesla continues pushing up, right, slowly, you can trail your stop loss to 237 to make sure you have a risk-free trade so you don't lose anything just in case Tesla goes down. But until then, in my opinion, right, you're long here, you're waiting, you're checking it out, and just a day trade, right? If you're a long-term investor, like I said, doesn't matter. Just keep accumulating. I'll see you.